welcome. Today I'm going to do methi mathri. For that I have taken 1 cup wheat powder, chili powder, salt, this is ghee, oil, pepper powder, this is 1 spoon rava, suji, and this is jeera which I have roasted in the ghee, jeera. All this I am going to mix it to a tight dough. This is dried methi. See, this is the dough. I added in it pepper powder. Now take a little piece from it, flat it with your both hands also you can use. Middle pepper piece or powder. Now with the fork do holes so that it should not puff while frying in the oil. See, keep the gas flame slow. See, you can do this with the maida flour also. While flattening it, you should keep little thick, not very thin. See, now it is ready to serve. You can have it with tea, coffee. Okay, thank you for watching.